Good morning, friends. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa, and this is Our Life on a Dime. And this morning, I am going to update you guys on how my ETF investing has been going this week. So stay tuned. Alrighty, friends, so I just want to jump on here real quick and kind of give you guys a rundown on how I'm doing. I have been investing into ETFs over the past week or two, and last week I kind of explained what my intentions were and what I was wanting to do. But I did want to jump on here and explain to you guys that there's something going on in the trading world, and right now I just found out this week that SpaceX is going to go public with their trading. So it's becoming a game changer in the semiconductor world, and different things that the SpaceX is going to need. Those companies that they're getting their supplies from, their stocks are going to do very well. You know, so I've been researching into different things like NVIDIA, and even QQQ has two companies in there. It's got NVIDIA and it's got AMD, which they are both semiconductor companies. So that's going to help a great deal with the value of the stocks. So right now, this is where I'm at. I have, in the past 2 weeks, made $48.38 on QQQ. This is, VU is the S&P 500. This is basically where I want the majority of my money to go. But for right now, because of the whole AI race to the top, see who can, I'm putting my money into more AI and different companies like that, but eventually most of it's going to go into the S&P 500 because that's the most stable. But right now that is up 2.03% at $14.23 for the week. This is Charles Schwab. I am up 22.03. QQQM is the exact same as QQQ except for its different share. Their shares are a lot less, and their expense ratio is a lot less. But as far as their percentage of their increase in their money is basically the same. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And this is Taiwan Semiconductor. This is where once SpaceX gets, picks their whatever companies that they're going to use for their space shuttles. This Taiwan Semiconductor company, TSM, is going to be the company probably that's going to be making them. So once Elon Musk designs the semiconductors that he wants, this is the company that most likely is going to be making them. So I decided to invest into their stock right now. So yeah, so this is where I'm at right now. I'm up this morning, so that's good. Today already I've made $15 this morning. I mean, obviously that's going to change throughout the day, but it seems to be working out pretty good. I just wanted to jump on here, guys, and explain to you guys what was going on with the IPO for SpaceX. If anybody's interested in looking into that, I think that's going to be a game changer. They're saying that their stocks and the companies that are going to be involved with SpaceX, they're going to be they're gonna skyrocket, basically. And so I just wanted people to know if they are able to, open up a small Robinhood account or whatever, which is what I'm doing. I'm on Robinhood right now, and you don't have to have the total amount of the shares. You do fractional shares. So if you have $10 and you want to invest $10, you just pick the share or the ETF or whatever that you're wanting to do. I do ETFs because those are baskets of different companies all in one. So this way, if one does bad, you're not getting hit that hard. It's kind of like spread out throughout all of the companies. Like the S&P 500 is 500 companies in one basket. So if one company gets a bad quarterly report, your whole portfolio is not taking a hit. It kind of spreads it out or whatever, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm doing pretty good right now. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to share with you guys, if anybody's looking to invest, I don't know what I'm doing, so this is totally for educational purposes only, but I feel like right now this is going to be life-changing as far as with AI, because once companies get the technology that they need to be the number one technology company, it's going to be life-changing if you were invested in their company. So that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. And like I said, with SpaceX, that's huge news that they're going to go public. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And I've been doing a lot of educating myself. I'm listening to Warren Buffett, and he's just such a smart man when it comes to investing. One of the videos that I watched of him, he said that if all the years that he spent learning to trade in the stocks and everything and all of that, and all the years that he spent doing that, if he had to tell his family to invest in 3 different companies, he said it would be the S&P 500, QQQ, and Charles Schwab. And that's what I'm going with, and that's what I have here. I got the QQQ, the S&P 500, and Charles Schwab. But I am dabbling into different AI things, like I said, and I am keeping, right now I have 1150 available in dry powder. So if there's a big news or big opportunity for me to invest into a company or a stock, I'm going to do it. But I'm basically keeping $1,000 set aside for June, because that's when the SpaceX is going to go public. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope everybody's doing well. And today's Friday, so I wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. I will be coming back on here before the end of the weekend with a grocery haul. But for right now, I just wanted to share this with you guys as far as the different ETFs that I'm doing and the increase in money that I've made, in just a week. And I just wanted to share the good news with you guys. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link below for Robinhood, a referral code. I think I get a couple of dollars if anybody signs up for Robinhood. But it's no big deal if you decide not to. It's just something that, like, a lot of people, unless you're in the know, you don't know that there's companies like Robinhood where you can go online and, just put a couple of dollars in and, invest in, like, it would be like as if you had like a 401k. Like, a lot of people that are self-employed don't have companies that they can invest into their company's 401k. So they, that's another thing I want to tell you guys about company 401ks. But all right, yeah. So if you don't have an opportunity to invest in your company's 401k, you can kind of do it on your own. If you get a couple extra dollars, that is, birthday money, Christmas money, tax refund or whatever. These are great ways to, invest in yourself. Like I said, at my age, I'm not going to become a millionaire doing this because I don't have the money, first of all, to put it, to do that. But it is going to compound a lot quicker and a lot better than if I just put it into a savings account. That's okay. And then the second thing I wanted to tell you guys is I just found out that Trump signed an executive order for, I forget what it's called, freedom investing. I don't know. Basically, where the government will match I don't know if they'll do it for Robinhood. I don't know the details on that. But like, if people want to invest into like a 401k or an IRA or whatever, the government will match it. I'll have to get more information on it, but it's based on your income. So if you make like less than 40%, if you make less than like $40,000 a year, the government will match whatever money you put into your retirement account by 50%. So they'll match 50% of it. And then I think it, the less you make, it's for low income investors basically. But it's something that I'll get more information on, guys. But heck, if the government wants to match your investing, for your retirement, you can't go wrong with that, right? So, all right, enough rambling. I just wanted to, come out here and show you guys that, it is possible to take a couple of dollars, and see if you can turn it around. Like I said, a lot could happen, but just the things that I'm invested in, I don't see it going downwards, or if it does, it'll bounce right back up, because the stuff I'm invested in are, like I said, at least 100 companies are in the basket. The S&P 500 is 500 companies. QQQM is all technology, innovation and technology. So you can't really go wrong there. The only stock that I actually own today is a Taiwan semiconductor company. And that's going to be huge, because they are basically the only company that could make whatever Elon Musk designs for his spaceships. Yeah, they're the only company basically that could do it, I think. So that would be able to make them. So he's going to design them, and this company is going to make them. So seems to be pretty easy to figure out, or whatever, as far as what companies to invest in. So I'm going very bullish for technology, AI, SpaceX, anything that's going to be involved with SpaceX. And then obviously, like I told you, the safe bets like the S&P 500 and the Charles Schwab. But all right, guys, enough rambling for me. I hope everybody has a nice and wonderful Mother's Day on Sunday. I will be putting up a video this weekend, hopefully, for our grocery haul. And also, I plan on going to the plant nursery, Echo Nursery, this weekend, because that's what me and my husband do for Mother's Day and Father's Day. We buy each other like fruit trees and stuff like that. So stay tuned and find out what kind of fruit tree I get. And until next time, thanks for watching. And as always, stay blessed.